Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and since we're all stuck in the house right now, why not do a little quarantine cooking since I can't get any parts for projects that I want to do. Anyway, as you can see, we have our potatoes sliced and quartered, and we're cooking those on a medium heat. I got a pound of sausage in here. This is also cooking on a kind of medium to high heat. And I'm going to cook both these all the way up in these frying pans. And I'm cooking a pound here because I'm going to do another video tomorrow, and why not cook what I already have to have cooked up for the next video anyway, right? Alright, so moving along. So the sausage is done and the potatoes are about halfway there. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper to the potatoes. And we'll let these cook for a couple more minutes until they're completely done. While my potatoes are cooking up, I shredded up about 1/3 of a cup of cheese. And the most important part here is you have to test the cheese. You make sure it's a good cheese. This was a good cheese. Now that the sausage cooled down a little bit, I'm going to put about 2/3 of it into a container and save that for the next video. You know your potatoes are done by pushing the spatula down on one of the slices, and it breaks apart like a well-cooked baked potato. Next thing you want to do, and you probably want to do this while the potatoes are still relatively hot, is get them out of the pan and throw your cheese right on top of the potatoes there. Doesn't that look good? Add the sausage to the bowls and use the pan that you cooked the sausage in to cook up 2 eggs. That sausage grease in there will add a little extra flavor. I'm doing scrambled eggs, but cook the eggs up any way you want. It's dealer's choice here. As soon as the eggs are done, throw them right on top of the skillet and you're ready to eat. And there it is. You have yourself a delicious, filling, not exactly healthy meal, but it's great comfort food when you're in quarantine. I hope you guys like this. Cook stuff and have fun, folks.